Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Idris. Today we have this car is a 2005. This 2005, right?
Yeah.
2005 Maxima.
Yep.
Okay, this car we have a problem. Sometimes the security come on, sometimes the security doesn't come on, and sometimes the car start like here now. The car start in a few minutes. Sometimes the light come on and no communication. Okay, can you come here? Please. Let's do this. Hold this for me. Yeah. Come. Bring a flathead screwdriver. Let's take this piece out. I need to be sure there is something have to be covered before. Today we are going to check something. Take this piece out. There is a clip here. Can you take it out? See it? After that, the problem is when you put money here, money go like this. And where is go here under this place and get into amplifier, AC amplifier, create electrical short. Very big short. So what you need to do is, let's go ahead. You have to be sure that thing never happened to it.
Let's bring him back.
Take it out. Oh. Let me see. Is it there?
The clip wasn't there.
So it doesn't, no, they put a glue, but it's supposed to have a clip there. Okay, now, hold this. That's good. Let's take this one. Okay, take this one out. From the back. Connected for the hazard, right? Okay, now take this here, Philip. Okay. You can hold this for us here. But look at us through here. Don't move your legs. Yeah, please, thank you. Follow our hands. Okay, now I'm gonna go here. AC amplifier. This one is supposed to be. The screw cannot release the screw. Something there, DVD player or something. Like this. This is for the signal light, don't forget. You're doing the video good, right? Good photographer?
Kind of.
Now here. Gonna go here. Hold on. This is gonna help you, but be patient. Move this two, only this two. I put this here. I'm going to this one. I'm going to put the rest. Let me see something. Come with that. Okay, now come here. You see here? Your video have to be here clearly, okay? I'm gonna take this. I said come here and make this video very clear here.
Okay.
Because this is happen only once every 100 years. By that time when it happens, this is an AC amplifier, and I call it a PIGGY bank. A PIGGY bank. What happened is while you are driving, you come, the children or you go to the McDonald's, somebody give you money, you pay, you do transaction, and they give you some change. You're gonna put this change here on this screen here, like this.